Welcome to another episode of Tech Bites. I'm your host, and today we've got a really exciting topic to dive into, the hyperbrowser MCP server. Now, if you've ever wondered how we can extract data from the web effortlessly, or maybe you're curious about web scraping and automation, you're in for a treat. So, let's kick things off. Imagine a world where you could pull information from various web pages as easily as flipping through a magazine. That's essentially what the hyperbrowser MCP server is all about. It's like having a toolbox filled with gadgets that help you scrape and extract data seamlessly. Pretty cool, right? Now, the MCP server stands for Model Context Protocol Server. But don't let that jargon scare you. Essentially, it provides tools that simplify web scraping, data extraction, and even web crawling. So if you've got a specific web page in mind that you want to gather information from, this server has your back. Let's talk a bit about its features. One standout characteristic is its compatibility with general-purpose browser agents such as OpenAI's CUA. Now that's some powerful stuff. But how do you actually get this thing up and running? Well, installation is as easy as running a single command in your terminal. You just need your hyperbrowser API key, and voila! It's as simple as refraining from hitting that snooze button in the morning. Just a small step, and all the web extraction tools are right at your fingertips. For those of you interested in a bit of development drama, we've got that too. You can even run the server directly from the source code if you're feeling adventurous. Just clone the repository, install the dependencies, and you're all set to scrape away. Now let's pivot slightly. Why is this important? Well, data is everywhere, and unlocking that data can lead to insights that businesses and individuals can use to their advantage. Think about the endless possibilities. For instance, researchers can analyze trends over time, marketers can examine customer behavior in detail, or even just students gathering information for a project. The applications are vast. As we wrap up today's discussion, I'd love to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What would you create or discover with the ability to easily access and extract any information from the web? Thanks for joining me for this episode of Tech Bites. We hope you found this deep dive into the hyperbrowser MCP server as fascinating as I did. Be sure to tune in next week for more tech insights and discussions. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.